Hi, and welcome to the Signage Pros. Today we're going to take a look at two of these elements in our editor, the weather, which looks like a sun, and the clock element, which is right below it. So to add weather information to your player, you need to drag that over into your creative area, and then go over into the location properties and start typing the city and state. It'll give you a drop-down list. You need to select the drop-down item, and then that will be the data that gets pulled back. From there, you can choose whether or not you want Celsius and Fahrenheit or one or the other. I chose Fahrenheit. From there, you can then choose the additional content items that you want to show. It includes conditions, humidity, and visibility. On this one, I've turned off the visibility. Didn't think it was very necessary for the area I was working on. Similar to all of our other tools, you have the ability to change your fill screen, your content formatting, and your title format. So here I'm going through some of those adjustments to just get the look and feel that I'm wanting for this element. Changing the background colors and the foreground colors, dragging and dropping, simple to use in terms of placement and size, till I get it just right. Now let's take a look at the clock. Now the clock, a couple of things to know. You can change it to include the date and the time, and it uses a time format where capital letters are for military time, so a capital HH puts it in military time. A lowercase hh puts it into kind of an AM PM format. So you can get a 9 p.m. instead of 21:17. And in addition to that, you can put in days and months, months and days, depending on what you need. Now the important thing to understand is that the time that it's going to show, right now it's showing what's on the computer, but once you put it onto the device, it's going to show the time that's on the device. So when you set up the device, you're going to need to make sure that you set the local time and that it's updating that time on a regular basis. Otherwise, your clock element won't work quite right. Of course, you can change any of the other appearance items that you'd like on the clock also. And that's it. Thanks for using the Signage Pros.